A very good morning to all my dear students. I would like to take place before starting my AV assignment. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, I am going to start our assignment. The topic is what comes between. What comes between? Let's start. Here you have given 16 and 18. 16 and 18 both are given. You have to see what will come here in between both of these numbers. What will come? What comes after 16? That is 17. What comes before 18? That is 17. So 17 will come here. Okay. 17 will come in between both of these numbers, 16 and 18. Okay. Here 16 is given and 18 is given. You have to see what will come here in between both the numbers. Here 17 will come. Clear? Next, 49 and 51. Both numbers are given. What will come here in between both the numbers? That is 50. What comes after 49? That is 50. What comes before 51? That is 50. So 50 will come here. Clear? Now 25 and 27 both are given. What will come here? That is 26. 50 and 52 both numbers are given. What will come in between of both the numbers? That is 51. Okay. Like here 73 is given and 75 both the numbers are given. What will come here? That is 74. Okay. Now 84 and 86 both numbers are given. Then what will come in between both the numbers? That is 85. Okay. 85. Same here. 93 is given and then 95 both numbers are given. What will come here? That is 94. Okay. 94 will come here in between both the numbers. Clear? Here 41 and 43 both the numbers are given. What will come in between both the numbers? That is 42. Okay. What will come after 41? That is 42. What will come before 43? That is 42. Okay. Now 89 and 91 both the numbers are given. What will come in between both the numbers? That is 90. Okay. 90 will come here in between both these numbers. 89 and 91. Okay. Next 95 and 97 both the numbers are given. What will come in between both the numbers? That is 96. Okay. 96 will come here. Clear? Clear to everyone? Now beta, you have to write this on your fair notebooks with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, clear to everyone? Now from your book Mathmania, page number 29, you have to complete this page. Okay, before, after and between, you have to complete all these pages as we have did earlier. Okay, like 13 is given, you have to fill here 12 before. What will come before 13? That is 12. Here 18 is given, what will come before 18? That is 17. Okay, in same manner you have to complete these numbers, blanks you have to complete. Okay, here after, like 19 is given, what will come after 19? That is 20. Okay, here 39 is given, what will come after 39? That is 40. Okay, in same manner you have to complete these numbers. Okay, here in between, clear? What will come in between? Like 16 and 18, both the numbers are given, so you will fill here 17. What will come in between both the numbers? Okay, you have to fill here 17. Okay, in the same manner you have to complete this page number 29. Okay, as we have did earlier. Okay beta, bye.